Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss history and development of poultry industry in Pakistan. Prior to 1963, the native breed Desi was mainly raised, which produced a maximum of 73 eggs per year under local conditions. An improved breed Lyalpur Silver Black was evolved in 1965 to 1966 in the Department of Poultry Husbandry, University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. The layers of this breed are capable of producing 150 eggs per year and gaining 1.4 kg weight in 12 weeks of the age under favorable management and feeding conditions. Poultry in Pakistan was kept as a backyard business for the household needs. In early 60s, the need of commercial poultry was felt, which resulted in 1963 in the form of national campaign to enhance the production of feed products in the country. Under this campaign, the government announced a tax exemption policy on the income derived from poultry farming. Pakistan International Airlines, in collaboration with Shaver Poultry Breeding Farms of Canada, started first commercial hatchery in Karachi. Simultaneously, a commercial poultry feed mill was started by Liver Brothers Private Limited, Pakistan, at Rahim Yar Khan, which was followed by other pioneers like Arbor Acres Limited. Special emphasis was laid by the government on development of poultry industry in the country during 1965 to 75. The government made major policy decisions to provide all possible facilities to the poultry industry in the annual development plans. The incentives provided to the poultry farmers and poultry industry included: first, tax exemption on income derived from poultry farming. Import of flocks and incubator was permitted under free list. Allotment of state land on lease for poultry farming at very nominal rates. Establishment of Poultry Research Institute at Karachi and Rawalpindi through Food and Agriculture Organizations of United Nations to facilitate research services specifically concerning disease control programs. 2 meatless days were announced to encourage poultry meat consumption. Subsidy on grains to form low-cost quality ration through UNDP grains. Loan through Agricultural Development Bank of Pakistan for the construction of poultry sheds. Establishment of directorates of poultry production in Karachi and Punjab to provide extension services to the poultry farmers. And establishment of Federal Poultry Board to coordinate government and industry activity in the poultry business. The subsequent development of Pakistan's poultry industry can be divided into 4 major phases. The phase 1 is introductory period, which starts from 1965 and ends in 1970. Phase 2, institutional development, which occurred from 1971 to 75. Then comes the production boom from 1976 to 1980. The fourth and last phase was depression and adjustment phase from 1981 to 1990. During the first phase, the introductory period of poultry industry in Pakistan from year 1965 to 1970, during this period, the early poultry ventures involving risks were supported by the government policies that exempted poultry product from national tax and permitted producers to import genetically improved breed stocks and equipment such as incubators. A number of catalytic forces shaped the early development of poultry industry. These forces include potential profits in the industry, availability of technologies, and supportive government policies resulting from the perception of a protein deficiency in Pakistani diet. The government of Pakistan also established the Directorate of Poultry Production at Karachi, which provided extension services to the growing number of the poultry farmers. The early development of the industry was characterized by emerging problems, including rising feed cost, disease outbreaks, and consumer preferences for desi birds. Institutional development occurred from the year 1971 to 1975 as the poultry production became a significant enterprise in the agriculture economy of Pakistan. The government strengthened the institutions serving the new industry. The Federal Poultry Board was established to coordinate government and industrial activities in the layer and broiler business. Research services were offered through the Poultry Research Institute with the assistance of UNDP and FAO funds. The Directorate of Poultry Development was established in Punjab, similar to that Karachi. Poultry producers struggled with the adverse effect of government programs like ban on export of poultry products and the consequences of some major planning flaws such as establishment of poultry estates clustered together without adequate sanitation and health control. This phase was characterized by both the greatest success of the poultry industry and its greatest failure. A dramatic increase in the poultry production resulted due to the diverted investments from the nationalization of the industries in the other sectors. At the same time, clustering of production units led to a large disease outbreaks and lack of marketing facilities due to ban on export of the poultry products limited the industrial growth. From the period of 1976 to 1980, the government of Sindh followed a policy to attract the investment in the poultry farming by offering estate land under 10-year lease program. At the same time, the nationalization of other industries contributing the entry of capital into the poultry industry, particularly in Punjab, resulted in poultry production. A commercial egg production increased from 624 million eggs in 1976 to 1223 million eggs in 1980. The broiler production increased from 7.2 million birds to 17.4 million birds during the same period. The increase of volume of the production was forced to the limited marketing channels. Serious financial setbacks to the poultry farming in Pakistan emanated from the discontinuation of the poultry exports, disease problems, higher relative price of poultry feed, deteriorating feed quality, and limited supply of feed ingredients. Poultry farmers faced with the financial problems and seeking remedial measures from the Pakistan Poultry Association in 1979 on the advice of Federal Poultry Board.